Have you ever had to clean a baseball uniform with ground-in red clay, mud, or grass stains? Today I'm going to share with you the process I've found has had the best results for me, and it's simple enough for you to try at home. I live in the southeastern part of the United States, and we're known for the red clay in our area. Our baseball infields are a nice orange clay, and our outfields are grass and rich soil, all of which stain very easily. Since my son needs his baseball pants for practice tomorrow, I thought this was the perfect time to show you what I usually do to get his pants clean again. This pair of pants are probably the dirtiest he has ever given me because we had rain last week and he didn't bring them home from school until after 5 days of practice in the mud. At the end of this video, I'm going to share with you 2 other methods I've used if his white pants needed extra help to get white again, but today we're working with the gray pants. The soap I'm using is called fels-naptha, and it can be found in most grocery stores or Walmart stores in the laundry section. I usually pay between $1 and $1.25 for a bar, and I go through about 2 bars a year between school ball and travel ball seasons, so this cleaning method is not very expensive. First, I rinse the pants to get any solid dirt off of them and to wet the fabric. Next, I start working on one section of the pants at a time. Today I'm starting with the bottom of the legs first. I'm using a kitchen sponge with a non-abrasive scrubbing texture on one side of it. If you're cleaning a fabric that might fray, then you may want to find a soft brush to do this instead of the textured sponge. I have found that some brands of ball pants are easier to clean than others. The pair I'm cleaning today is by Under Armour and it's made of 100% polyester. To keep from having a puddle on my floor, I wring out the fabric for the section I'm working on and I spread it flat on the counter. Using the wet sponge, I add some of the soap bar onto the side of the sponge with the textured surface, and then I begin scrubbing the fabric. Once I finished working through all of the stains, I rinse the pants and wash them in the washing machine on a regular cycle. I hang them up to dry. Now the pants are ready to go, and I'll start the process once they come back home again. I promised I'd give you my solution for the white pants when they need some extra help, and I'll share 2 treatments I found to work. Sometimes the white pants can have a slight residue from the red clay. Did you know the red stains from red clay are from the iron in the clay? It leaves a rust color like when iron rusts, and it can be difficult to get out of fabrics. I found the best way to get the rest of the rust color out of the white pants is to soak them in a mixture of iron out overnight and then launder them again. Be careful to test any colored stitching or stripes on the pants before you soak them, as some threads can discolor. I've used this on gray pants with good results, but again, test the solution on the fabric before soaking the pants, just in case the gray fades too much for you. Another treatment I've used is a homemade solution that I use for my regular laundry as a pre-treatment for stains. When the grass stains and the black dirt stains are difficult to get out, I've used this spray along with the fels-naptha with good results. Mix 2 parts hydrogen peroxide with 1 part regular Dawn dish detergent and spray it onto the fabric as you're working with the fels-naptha soap into the fabric. The solution is similar to an OxiClean product, which you could use instead if you have some of that on hand. Let me know in the comments below if you've used this method or if you have another technique that works for you. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell below if you want to know when our next video is ready. And if you like this video, please share it with a friend and like it below. I hope you'll check out our other how-to videos on crafts, cooking, and real-life problem solving. Thanks for watching.